Welcome to our Samsung smartphone factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how Samsung smartphones are assembled.
Cases of Samsung AMOLED display panels arrive in specially cushioned packaging. These delicate displays require extremely
transcription. These microchips, including Exynos or Snapdragon processors, are the computational heart of every Samsung smartphone.
Anti-static containers of RAM and flash storage chips arrive for Samsung smartphones. These memory components determine Samsung smartphone speed and storage capacity.
Pallets of Samsung smartphone aluminum frames and glass back panels arrive from machining facilities. These precision
Thay tận Ngọc đến các tô bọt Bóng trông sẵn đi bạc không lọc lại Ngôn đăng trao nấy xiêm đà bởi đi tạc.
In the Samsung Quality Laboratory, technicians test incoming component samples before releasing to production. Approved Samsung smartphone components are stored in the climate-controlled warehouse. Automated storage and retrieval systems organize components efficiently. Every component has been verified, tested, and precisely organized for assembly. Now they enter bare Samsung smartphone printed circuit boards are loaded into the SMT line.
Samsung smartphone PCBs are scanned by 3D solder paste inspection systems to verify print quality.
Precision placement machines mount Samsung smartphone processors and large integrated circuits.
X-ray inspection systems examine hidden solder joints on Samsung smartphone PCBs. BGA components
Programming stations load initial firmware onto Samsung smartphone PCBs. Serial connections or wireless programming load bootloader and basic software. Assembled Samsung smartphone PCBs pass through cleaning systems that remove flux residue and contaminants.
Tested and cleaned Samsung smartphone PCBs are staged in anti-static carriers for device assembly. PCBs are organized by model and production order.
Populated with thousands of precision components and verified through rigorous testing, are Samsung smartphone circuit boards.
This is where Samsung smartphones take their final form.
Samsung smartphone aluminum frames are prepared for component installation. Frames are cleaned and inspected for surface quality.
এটা জুমটা পিন পুড়ে দিচ্ছে কে দিতে আমি এটা আরো একটা দেখতাম
দুইটি PS20 দুইটি আছে একটি
Samsung AMOLED displays are prepared for installation. Carefully positioned.
Power buttons, volume rockers, and SIM trays are installed. Each button is tested. Port covers and antenna windows complete the interface. Assembled Samsung smartphones undergo waterproof seal verification. Pressure testing confirms all seals are intact.
Vậy tôi còn có thêm chút ở bài mà bạn theo tự làm trong lách theo YouTube đằng mà đèn bài bớt sinh sốc 20 phần đánh ủy bật bà. Mấy xăm tâm đơn sự bà này.
Precision assembled from hundreds of components, our Samsung smartphones are now physically complete. They travel to our testing facility.
Samsung smartphone cameras undergo comprehensive testing. Test targets verify focus accuracy, color reproduction, and image sharpness.
Acoustic testing chambers verify Samsung smartphone audio quality. Speakers are tested for frequency response and maximum volume.
前于更辣苏定的高明语录当口令起了背后三的认识。
All Samsung smartphone sensors are individually tested. Accelerometer, gyroscope, and compass are verified.
Physical interfaces on Samsung smartphones are tested. Power and volume buttons are verified for proper response. Samsung smartphones undergo final comprehensive functional testing. Automated test sequences verify all functions in a single pass.
Each Samsung smartphone's IMEI and serial number are verified against production records. Unique device identifiers are confirmed in Samsung's database.
Rigorously tested, perfectly packaged, and ready for customers, our Samsung smartphones now complete their factory journey. They travel to our distribution center.
This is the Samsung Central Quality Laboratory, a world-class facility ensuring smartphone excellence.
Samsung smartphones undergo environmental stress testing. Temperature chambers cycle devices through extreme heat and cold. Enhancing transcript. Samsung's inscription. Samsung smartphones undergo water immersion testing to verify IP68 rating. Long-term reliability testing simulates years of Samsung smartphone use. Button mechanisms are pressed thousands of times.
Specific absorption rate testing verifies Samsung smartphone RF safety. Testing measures radiation absorption in simulated human tissue.
Random SIN. RAM sources of Samsung smartphones undergo a comprehensive outgoing quality inspection.
इसके केकर जॉसन कोस्कोप दर्द है इसका सिर्सन कंटेंट्स कुफने करसास में लेवरी सबसे देता है इसी सॉफ्टवेयर के देख
Transcription. The Samsung smartphone distribution warehouse manages
Samsung smartphones are delivered to carrier and network operator partners. Devices are configured with carrier-specific settings.
From components to a daily companion, Samsung quality serves you.
And that's how Samsung smartphones are assembled, from individual components to the powerful device in your pocket.